Hey, I'm Bob Carr with TLC. We recently worked with a homeowner here in Maryland whose lawn sprinkler system was starting to show its age. The system was still running, but several things were beginning to go wrong. Some sprinkler heads were not working properly. Coverage across the lawn was uneven. And the homeowner was starting to notice higher water usage. So they contacted us here at TLC to take a look at the system and see what options they had. Today I want to walk you through what we found and how a TLC lawn sprinkler VIP upgrade completely transformed the system. When we inspected the system, we discovered that the irrigation system was over 7 years old. That's usually the point where many systems begin losing efficiency. Several components were outdated. The irrigation controller, the sprinkler heads, the spray nozzles, and the rain sensor. They're the highest usage of items. Either the technology's changed and or things got wore out. Because you got to remember all the sprinkler heads, the nozzles, rain sensor are out in the weather 24/7. Remember that. Okay, anyway, pushing ahead. While the system still technically worked, it was no longer operating efficiently. This is something that we see very often with older sprinkler systems. After evaluating the system, we recommended performing a TLC lawn sprinkler VIP upgrade. Instead of repairing individual parts as they continue to fail, the VIP upgrade modernizes the entire sprinkler system. This allows the homeowners to benefit from the latest irrigation technology while improving the performance of the system. What the VIP upgrade includes. During the upgrade, our team replaced several key components of the system. We installed a modern smart irrigation controller that connects directly to the homeowner's phone. Now, you don't have to use your phone. You can use a computer, you can use it as a standalone, but most people like to use their phone, dial it in. Okay, this allows them to control the entire sprinkler system from anywhere. The controller also connects to the local weather data, essentially turning the property into its own mini weather station. It automatically adjusts watering schedules based on rainfall and weather conditions. And you know, here in Maryland, weather changes like that. Additional upgrades. We also installed a brand new wireless rain sensor, which automatically shuts the system off during rain. Then we replaced every sprinkler head and every nozzle throughout the entire property. That means the entire irrigation system is now essentially brand new. Once the upgrade was complete, the difference was immediately noticeable. The lawn now receives even water coverage across the entire property. The system operates far more efficiently, and the homeowner now has full control of the irrigation system directly from their smartphone. Many homeowners who upgrade older systems like this see water savings of 40 to 50%. Let's talk about the warranty. Warranty. Another benefit of the TLC VIP upgrade is a peace of mind. The entire upgrade is backed by a 3-year TLC warranty, protecting the major components of the irrigation system. If your sprinkler system is 7 years old or older, it may be time to consider upgrading instead of continuing to repair an aging system. No sense in putting Band-Aids on it. If your system's more than 7 years old, let's upgrade. Anyway, at TLC, we've been helping homeowners improve their irrigation systems throughout Maryland for more than 40 years. If you'd like to learn more about our TLC Sprinkler VIP upgrade program, visit our website or schedule an inspection. Be sure to check out our other videos where we answer the most common sprinkler questions homeowners ask us. We'll talk to you guys soon.